How to change Android control panel to iOS control center. Let's dive in. First, you have to open your Play Store on your Androids and then you have to search for iCenter iOS 17 and it's going to bring you to this menu. Now you have to open this app over here and then click install. Once this is installed, I'm going to tell you what to do next. So you have to wait at this point and be patient for the app to be installed. And once this is installed, you have to click open over here. And once this app opens, you have to just click over here, continue to app on the top right corner. And then you have to just click allow. And then click allow again, and in the notification access choose this option and choose iControl and notify iOS 16 and click allow notification access and choose allow. Now go back and choose appear on top and then wait for it to load and search for the app iControl and iNotify or iOS 16 and choose it enabled. Now go to accessibility and choose agree, and then you have to click download apps, and here you have to choose iControl and notify and turn it on and then click allow. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.